Sorry for the late analysis. I was busy today. Just got back. Sorry about that. Had some issues, guys. Okay, guys. I'll keep it simple. No AI analysis today. Just me. I'm tired. I'll just keep it short as well. Want to get out of here, guys. We are bullish. I know we are seeing bearishness, but guys, on a higher time frame, we can only start selling if the price breaks below 1.34119. Okay, guys. If you don't understand that, if you don't have an anti setup, there is no point in asking in the comments if I'm bullish or bearish, guys. Even if I'm bullish or bearish, I just don't blindly enter trades. I have anti conditions, and to explain those conditions, I have 7 videos already uploaded to my YouTube channel. But even if someone does not want to watch them, I made an indicator that almost explains my methodology. Even if still someone does not want to do that, guys, then he's just kind of wants to troll me and get into my head, just prove me wrong, because we know what happens most of the time, that people are not making money in trading. They think everyone is like them, and they just want to prove that they are also losers like them. So no offense to anybody, guys, for sorry for my harsh language, but that's just how psychology works. It's written in the book called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This is a nature, a feature, a quality of traders, especially the new ones. So, anyways, guys, I would always start selling this once we break above this. The question, would I start buying it now? Of course, I wouldn't start buying unless I have a bullish setup on the 5 minute chart or 1 minute chart or 15 minute chart. I cannot start buying it blindly. I need to have a setup. I need to have conditions. I cannot stress this enough. I keep on repeating these things, but those people who don't want to actually understand, just want to keep on trolling me, they can keep it. And those who want to actually understand, they need to learn, guys. My videos are there. You can watch them. I know my voice is not good. You can use the captions to watch them. I will be remaking the course to AI and using an AI voice for to make it easier for people to understand. And there's that, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Ta- Take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.